Use aluminum foil on scissors. This is the easiest way to sharpen scissors that have lost their edge. First, I'll test these scissors on a piece of cardboard to show you that they don't cut well anymore. You'll see how they struggle to cut. That's because they're dull. But no worries. All you need to fix this is a piece of aluminum foil. You don't need fancy tools or sharpeners. Just grab a piece of foil around the size of your hand. If your scissors are really dull, you might want to use a slightly bigger piece. Now, fold the foil a few times until it's nice and thick. This thick layer will create enough friction to sharpen the blades. Once you've folded it, place it between the scissor blades and make several cuts through the foil. As you cut, the foil rubs against the blades, helping them to get sharp again. After a few cuts, let's test the scissors again on the cardboard. You'll notice right away that they cut much better now, almost like new. Another way you can use to sharpen scissors is with toothpaste. I'll show you this trick here. Just click to watch.